Hi guys, let's get ready for competition this weekend. I went ahead and I put my foundation on. You just want to find a foundation that matches the skin tone of your dancer and make sure that you blend it all the way down the neck. You don't want to stop here because that will create that line, and with the lights on stage, that really enhances that line. And then you can set it with a translucent powder. I just used a CoverGirl one. Then I will do one eye for you. You're going to get any kind of primer that you like, eyeshadow primer. And just kind of prime your eye all the way, just so that helps the makeup set and you don't have fallout. Then you're going to take your eyeshadow and you're going to start with the white in the palette and take it from the waterline all the way to your eyebrow. This is just going to help open up the eye. After that, you will take the next shadow to it, and it's a light gray, and take it in and just go from the waterline up to just a little bit past the crease. So I don't know if you can see that. It's just coming up to my crease. See? Then you will take the darkest gray and you're going to go from about middle of the eye out. And I know it's going to seem really dark, but once you get on that stage, those lights are so bright, we need something to kind of bring the attention to the eyes. So I did that. I went just from the middle all the way out. And I went past my eye so it meets up with my eyebrow out here. Let me show you again. Okay. Then you're going to take the little sparkly gray and just kind of blend in the middle part right here. Okay. Then you can take a brush and kind of blend it a little bit. You don't want to blend too much. You don't want to get rid of that darkness. So that's how that looks so far. Then you're going to take a black eyeliner. You can use pen, you can use pencil, whichever works best for you. And from this, I'm going to go in right where my eyelashes start and go as close to the waterline as I can. I know with the younger ones it's going to be a little harder. To the end of the eye. And then I'm going to just try to pull. I'm going to just take we're not going to make those like really big wings, but we're just going to pull it out a little bit. And then underneath the eye, you're going to go in. Don't go all the way to the corner of your eye, just go to the middle and connect that so that it connects with the line. So I went from the middle out, and then I have this little line out here. Then for the white eyeliner, you're going to take, same thing, go buy a cheap one. I think Wet n Wild has one. I just couldn't find any Wet n Wild at the store I went to. And you're going to come in here in the corner of your eye and just kind of work up and down below. Like so. So see, when I pull it away, you'll see that this eye definitely is popping a little bit more, and especially with that white eyeliner in there. Then from that point, you're going to go ahead and put your fake eyelashes on. And mascara, any choice, just go with a black mascara so that the lashes, fake lashes and your real lashes kind of blend together. Then you're going to take, I like a rosy blush. And I definitely want everyone to have a rosy blush for stage. Helps with the lights, how bright they are. Same thing, I went with like a cheap one because I was trying to find cheap stuff. Got this stuff all at Target. I know Walmart has it. That way if you guys have to go out shopping, it's right there for you. CoverGirl, and it was Rockin' Rose. It's like a rosy color. And I take it and I just come right on the cheekbone and I go up into the hairline right here to help blend it a little bit more. Up, and it kind of pulls your face up. From that, you can take and blend it down. You definitely want this to be darker than what you would normally wear. Now, you know Miss Jill does not wear makeup like this to dance. So that's how that would look. It'll come up and up here. That way with our hairstyles, since we have them slicked back, it kind of helps pull the face up. As for lipstick, I went with Revlon Certainly Red. The number is 740. And you will put that on if you want to line your lips with a red liner and then put it on just so it stays better. That works for me. You don't have to. After that, if you just want to take a setting spray and spray it just so it'll all stay, definitely, because the kids are this weekend are going to be running back and forth from stage to the dressing room, and we want to make sure that that makeup lasts for them. If you have any questions, feel free, email, text, whatever you need. I am there for you. Bye, you guys.